Have you ever wondered how remote control is achieved in appliances of your home? Well, in this video we'll be diving deeper to answer that question and much more. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into a topic of remote control using Nucleo F446. If you've ever been curious about this topic, then you are in the right place. The electrical circuit will be in the phone memo connecting Nucleo F446 to the transistor. A transistor is a device or component that is controlled by a small flow of current on the base side to allow the high current to flow on the collector side. We have the collector, we have the base, and we have the emitter. The 3.3 volts DC from the output pin of Nucleo F446 will be connecting through the resistor to the transistor to allow the current flow in the collector side. If you haven't watched my previous video on the interfacing of LCD with the Nucleo F446 microcontroller, I would like to encourage you to go and watch it now, as you'll be using it to display some information. We'll be using 220 volts AC lamp as our load to control it remotely. The 220 volts AC lamp will be controlled through a 12 volts coil relay. This is a normal closed coil contact that is using 12 volts DC to energize the coil and open the contact on the 220 volts AC side. We'll be using an external source of battery to power the 12 volts towards the relay, which is conducted through the transistor. We'll be using our hot glue gun to make sure that our relay coil is secure and is not moving around. The type of transistor that we'll be using is BC337 transistor, which consists of collector, emitter, and the base. The microcontroller digital output will be connected to the base of the transistor. Across the coil of the relay will be connecting a freewheeling diode which serves as the protection against damage towards your digital output pin. We'll be using external DC source to power the 12 volts coil of the relay, as our microcontroller cannot be able to produce 12 volts DC. Once we have connected our battery, we'll be able to supply our relay coil so that we can be able to open and close the 230 volts AC contacts. Once our wiring has been confirmed to be correct, we can now jump into our dashboard, into our cell phone, home of Kinesa. That's where we'll be controlling remotely. And then we jump into the coding side of things, and then go through the code to compile. We're using input compiler is our IDE, and then we run the code to make sure that we don't get any errors. Once the code has been executed successfully, we can now test the project by controlling from the phone. As you can see, once we press the light, it should turn on the light. And now, yes, our project is working very successfully. As you can see, once we turn on the light is controlled remotely via the phone. In this project, we're using a communication protocol that is called MQTT. If you would like me to do more videos on the communication protocol of MQTT, please comment in the comment section below. This is our project. Thank you. Until next time, stay curious.